Hi, my name is Jacky and I'm a content creator from Portland, Oregon. So filming by yourself can be really hard, especially when you're at home or in your own bedroom. So I created 5 creative shots that you can use filming by yourself. The first creative shot is bird's eye view or a top-down angle. All you need is this mini tripod. It's a PJY Tech Mantis Pod 2.0. It has like a Mantis mode where there's a latch right here. And basically you can take this latch and you can just place it in any flat surface and place your camera on top of it for a really cool angle that you typically don't see. I know this might look a little sketchy, but trust me, this has never fallen on me before. Alright, creative shot number 2, first person point of view. You're gonna need a hoodie for this. This is a budget way to get your POV shot. Place the latch inside your hoodie and the other 2 legs onto your chest. Adjust and now you're ready. You can steadily walk around hands-free, and if you want it to be more stable, use one hand to hold onto it to reduce the shakiness. If you're not running with this, it should be okay. Creative shot number 3 is creative movement without anyone's help. You can use a tower fan to help you pan across the frame, or a standing desk to make it look like your camera is floating. You can also use a gimbal by presetting its movements. It's up to you on how creative you can get with this. Basically, anything that you can use that allows you to be hands-free with movement, go out and try it. Creative shot number 4 is using a POV kit. I recommend trying this small rig and mic visual kit. Basically, it allows you to have one camera on one side and another object or anything that you want on the other side. So you can have it like this. It's a solid method to track objects and movement because essentially it'll stay in one place. This kit doesn't come with a small rig clamp, so make sure you get one for yourself. Creative shot number 5 is using a mirror. Film yourself doing your thing and then look at the camera by manually zooming out and continue talking. Trust me, if you do this, it will really surprise your friends and your audience. I feel like it's just like a cool hat trick where it's like, oh, I didn't know this like a POV shot, but it's actually like a mirror, and then you zoom out and then you talk to the camera. It's like a really cool way to break the fourth wall, so I definitely recommend you trying this out. Alright, so that's 5 creative shots that you can use filming by yourself. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you want to connect with me, you can find my Instagram at Jacky Li with 2 A's and 2 Y's. Until then, happy creating and let me know if you use any of these shots.